Totoo bang mahirap mag-claim ng benefits from insurance companies? Well, in fairness to all insurance companies, may mga procedures kasi na dapat i-follow at may mga requirements din na talagang dapat i-submit before ang isang claim ay ma-approve. Allow me to share these three factors na pwedeng mag-influence in processing a claim. Number one, type of claim. May mga simple claim like medical reimbursements, meron namang death claim, accident, etc. Number two, insurance company. In fairness to insurance companies, they have certain procedures to follow. It's not fair to compare one versus the other. Of course, as much as they want to give you the benefit, they also need to comply with the requirements of the insurance commission. Number three is the documentation. Make sure na ready ang mga paperwork, death certificate, police report, at iba pa para maging smooth ang process. As we all know, incomplete or incorrect documents can delay the process. Of course, marami pang factors na pwedeng mag-influence ng claims. If you find yourself struggling sa pag-claim, don't hesitate to ask your insurance company for clarification or seek assistance from your dedicated financial advisor. Sila ang best to give answer and to assist you sa process ng claim, rather than asking public opinion na hindi naman nila alam ang full history. I am Cha Castro. Stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless.